Continuation of Model 3 roof chapter. The elements of pitched roofs. There are many elements of pitched roof. First one, span. It is a clear distance between the supports of an arch, beam or roof. Second element is it is the vertical distance between the top of the ridge and the wall plate. Next, third element is pitch. It is the inclination of the sides of the roof to the horizontal plane. Next, ridge. It is defined as the apex line of the sloping roof. Next, fifth, eaves. The lower edge of the inclined roof surface is called eaves. Next, sixth one, valley. It is the reverse of the hip. It is formed by the intersection of two roof surfaces making an external angle less than 180 degree. Next, seventh one is hipped end. It is the sloped triangular surface formed at the end of the roof. Next, eighth one, verge. The edge of the gable running between the eaves and the ridge is known as verge. Next, ninth one, ridge pieces or ridge beams. It is the horizontal wooden member in the form of a beam which is provided at the apex of a roof truss. Next, tenth one, common rafter or spares. These are the inclined wooden member running from the ridge to the eaves. Next, 11, purlins. These are the horizontal wooden or steel member used to support common rafters of a roof when the span is large. Next, 12th one, eave rafter. These are the sloping rafter which form the eave of a sloped roof. They are running diagonally from the ridge to the corner of the wall to support roof covering. Next, 13th element, valley rafter. The valley rafter or the sloping rafter which run diagonally from the ridge to the eaves for supporting valley gutters. Next, 14th is jock rafter. Jock rafter or the rafter shorter in length which run from eave or valley to the eaves. Next, eaves board. 15th is eaves board. Eaves board is a wooden board fixed to the feet of the common rafter at eaves. Next, 16th, wall plates. These are the long wooden member which are provided on the top of the stone or brick wall for the purpose of fixing the feet of the common rafters. Next, 17th elements of roof is battens. Battens are the thin strips of wood called scantling, which are nailed to the rafter for laying roof material above. Next, 18th is template. The template is the square or rectangular block of stone or concrete placed under the beam or truss.